Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to wake up to weather forecast on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, if you want to add wake up weather forecast on your iPhone lock screen, what you're gonna do, you can just add widget, long press your lock screen and then tab customize and then tab your lock screen, then tab the widget placement and then select the weather widget and then done. So you can just go ahead and close the close your iPhone and then open the lock screen, and you're gonna be able to customize. Let me show you another way of doing it. Actually, you can just go ahead to the settings, wallpaper, and then customize right here. Right, basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add a widget, right? And the widget is your forecast, which is the weather, and you can just add it right here simply, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.